Are you wondering how one man can secure 99.15% of the vote? Let's break it down. In a highly controversial outcome, Rwandan President Paul Kagame has secured yet another term, winning an overwhelming 99.15% of the vote in the 2024 presidential election. Kagame's victory marks his fourth consecutive term in office, with opponents Frank Habineza and Philippe Mpayimana receiving just 0.53% and 0.32% of the vote, respectively. The results have sparked widespread debate. Critics argue that such a landslide victory raises serious concerns about the fairness of the electoral process and the state of democracy in Rwanda. International watchdogs and opposition parties have expressed alarm, citing restricted political freedoms and alleged voter intimidation. Supporters, however, claim Kagame's leadership has brought stability and economic progress to the nation. As the dust settles on this controversial election, the world watches closely. What does this mean for Rwanda's future? Only time will tell.